That winds me up. That winds me up. How that sort of thing is not caught by Camberley coins. How can that end up in a sealed bag? Why? How can that happen? Another bag, 50p's, £250. Episode 4 of the new... Another video, 50p coin hunt, £250, all in sealed bags, just the way I like it. Yay! Episode 4 of the new book, fantastic, and we're doing all right. Didn't find any Olympics last video, but we did find a couple of nice territories. On with today's video. Right, let's get straight into this. What's up with the pre-tears? We haven't had any. Oh, there we go. Why aren't we getting any of those anymore from Camberley Coin Centre? What's this? 10th of the 10th. So not so long ago. I'm recording this at the beginning of November. This is a 70. My mind goes blank really at the worst moments. A 70th platinum anniversary coin, 2022, and that's the only 22 coin that I've seen in circulation so far. I haven't seen, at this point of recording, I haven't seen any Pride coins or anything else. There is Benjamin Bunny, and I have to remember to check for rotation errors with Benjamins, and I forget. I do just forget, and people have a go at me. But he looks all right. 2017, so I will sign him and put him back into the wild at the end of the video. We have another shield. There's some key dates for the shields. The 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 are all NIFC years. 1910 for circulation. 2017 will be a cool year to find, because that's a low mintage year. Anything from the 2020s upwards, I'm desperate to find. 2017, that'll be something. And the Britannias, which are those ones there, just in case you're new to this kind of video. Britannia's 2008 is a low mintage year. Apart from that, I'm not too worried. Oh yes, this 2017, let's find out what that is. More than likely a Potter. It's another Benjamin Bunny. 2 of them. Right. Tiggy Winkle. There we go, 2016. She's not worth much, unfortunately. Benjamin Bunny's not worth anything at all, over face value that is. He's worth 50p, of course. Oh, another territories. So we had Guernsey and Gibraltar last week. This week we have Jersey. 2009. 2009, cool. Going in the book, like it. bloody Swiss piece of... Ugh. Whatever. That winds me up. That winds me up. How that sort of thing is not caught by Camberley coins. How can that end up in a sealed bag? Why? How can that happen? I don't want to go to the bank, pay in a bag of 50p's. They take the bag, they go and weigh it. I don't want to go into the bank and then go, oh, the weight's slightly off. Let's have a look. Open the bag. Oh, look, you've tried to put that into the bank. Ugh. There should be a way of saying, oi, can I have my 50p back, please? You've stitched me up. I mean, obviously I'm recording it, so it's documented. But that's annoying. That really is annoying. I'm 50p down now. Okay, in the grand scheme of things, not the end of the world, but you know, it adds up. It all adds up. Oh, we've got a couple there. We've got Battle of Hastings, looking a bit crummy. Yeah, bit of gunk on him. And we got a Brexit. There we go. Couple of cool designs. Well, the Brexit isn't actually, no, at all. The Battle of Hastings is a very good design. This piece of rubbish. 1976. Why are these still hanging around? Who does this? Who's got like these just hanging around? Oh, I've done a bag of 50p's. Haven't quite got enough. I'm 50p short. Let's chuck a bloody Swiss piece of tat in there. I'm assuming it's Swiss. I don't know and I don't care. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. I mean, if it was a new coin, if it was a euro, and you could put it into like a charity box somewhere, alright, I don't mind that. I can live with that. But finding tat that I can't use in my hunts, bloody annoying. Bloody annoying. Paddington at the Cathedral. I've got a Paddington at the Cathedral in my book. The Paddington Station and the Palace. I am still looking for a tower. Paddington at the Tower of London. Oi! Ooh, Christopher Ironside. Now, have I got one of those in my book? Not sure. Not sure. We will find out. I think. Oh, bit of gunk on him. Sherlock Holmes. I don't think I've got one of him in my book. Keep him to one side. Bit gunky that one, so a bit of a shame. I can always swap him out later, I guess. Right, I just had a little rant. I filmed a little rant on my iPhone. I'll probably put that on Instagram ages ago. That's annoyed me. I might send it to Camberley Coins if I can find an address for them. Find an email address for Camberley Coins. Not so long ago, a few weeks ago, I was talking to Christopher Collects, saying how I wouldn't mind going on a Camberley Coin Centre tour if such a thing exists. Oh, Rabbit, Peter Rabbit, coming up. 2016, my fave, 2016 Peter Rabbit, nice one. It's my favourite Peter Rabbit design. Put him next to Tiggy Winkle, and then we had in the same bag a 2017, probably another Potter, but could it be a Shield? It's a rabbit, another Peter Rabbit. Tales of Peter Rabbit. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, so having a rant, and a coin centre tour would be, I don't know, if it's less security than a mint, so you could actually go into the factory bit where they just bag everything up. I don't know, it could be actually really boring, but something else to do. I wouldn't mind going to a mint in America or Canada, or going to San Francisco Mint in America. That'd be amazing. I'm sure Christopher said that he's been to the one in Canada. He's got family in Canada. I don't know, maybe he did or didn't, I don't know. I'll have to ask him. We'll have to plan something. A US road trip. Hey, you got Roger. Roger the Dodger. There we go. Roger the Dodger, as Bo Selector says. Calls him. I'm still angry at that bloody thing. Anyway, calm down, move on. Let's all get together. If you've ever found a foreign coin in your coin hunts, 2017 Shield! Correct! Yay! We'll keep that one. Yes, so if you've ever found a foreign coin in a coin hunt, let's get together and sue somebody. Come on, we can sue people too. A group effort. A group claim. Ugh. A couple in a row here. People's Act 2018. Don't know if one of those is yet. First one of that. And then we got a very nice and a very welcome addition to my book, the EEC Stars 2098. 1998. That is definitely going in the book. Sherlock Holmes, but this time he's in a bit better condition. Yeah, so that one will be going in the book, not that one, so that one can go up. Sherlock can go down the bottom row. Bottom row is where all the best coins are. Top row is where they're not rubbish, but coins that I don't want go. Last two bags. $2018. What's that gonna be? 2018. Hey, Taylor of Gloucester. Very nice. We have it for the book, but I'm still happy to find it. Want to find the Flopsy and the Peter Rabbit, of course, from 2018. They're the ones to find. They're about £4 or £5 each, saying now, are they? Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on, we got a runaway. He's gone. He made it out. Damn it. Another 50p down. What's that? Oh, Benjamin Britten in the last bag. There we go. It's pretty cool. I'll chuck him back to the wild. I think I've got a few of him. 2019 Shield, 2000 Britannia. Anything in this last bag? Britannia's to finish. Right, okay, so we got some bunnies to sign. We've got 3 of the bunnies to sign and put back into the wild. I'll keep the 70th and the Tailor of Gloucester off to the left. I'll have a little pile of coins over to the left here, some Olympics and stuff that I found. I say on recent hunts, but there's quite a few of Olympics from the beginning of the year. They're sitting there. Sorry, from the beginning of 2022 they've been sitting off to my left. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 70th anniversary coins just sitting to one side. And I'll just show you this lot. I've got Tailors of Gloucester, Flopsy Bunny, Olympics, more Olympics, Tittlemaus, all sorts of stuff just sitting here to the side that I've found in hunts. I've never put them away, anywhere. Anyway, okay, book. Let's try and get some in the book. So we'll definitely, the 2017 Shield is going at the back as an oddity. So oddity or something else, whatever you want to call it, collectible, I don't know. Okay, definitely going in the book. We got another territory. We've got the jersey 12 2009. We'll start another little row for that. There we go. Isle of Man can then go on the bottom row. Sherlock. Do we have a Sherlock? I don't think we do. Where does Sherlock go? 2019, 2018. Oh, why am I so rubbish at remembering dates on coins? 2018. Those then 2019 Paddingtons. Oh, it shouldn't be so difficult for me, really shouldn't. So I'm going to put in between the Paddingtons. Yeah, up there, that one. Sherlock goes in the album. And then we Christopher Ironside, after the Olympics, before Benjamin Britten. So he goes there. So wrestling, Olympic wrestling goes there. Wheelchair rugby, weightlifting, volleyball, and triathlon. And tennis, yes, that's it, yeah. Yeah, cool. Battle of Hastings, did we want to check? No, in the book's good, Right, done. Fantastic. Everything else, just have a little double check. Oh, AHHHHH stars. Jeez, can't forget that. That's got to go in the book, hasn't he? Before Roger, where does he go? Where does he go? Oh, number 1, NHS and EC stars. Yeah, I still haven't found my inserts. Never mind. It's almost a bit too late, really, isn't it? EC stars, and then I reckon the 17 Shield is the star finds today, I think. Yeah, I'll give it to them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching to the end. If you're new here, please like and subscribe if you think you got something out of this video. But until the next hunt, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.